Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your account details so you can move quickly. Open Roblox and go to the login page, enter your username, then choose Forgot Password. Once done, select Email or Phone Recovery. This sends a code. Make sure you can access that inbox or SMS right away because codes expire. If you don't control the listed email, pause and prepare alternate proof like purchase receipts. It speeds up support requests. This preparation prevents delays when you reach the recovery stage. You requested the reset code, so now check the delivery promptly. Find the email or SMS. If it's missing, check spam and any email rules or filters. Make sure messages from Roblox aren't hidden. Once you have the code, type it exactly into the reset form. Small mistakes block progress, so double-check digits. After validation, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Pick one long and unique. If you use a password manager, store it now to avoid forgetting it later. You finish by setting a strong password and confirming changes. Make sure you log out devices and log back in to refresh sessions. Next, enable two-step verification to prevent repeat breaches, using an authenticator app if possible because it's more secure than SMS. If something goes wrong, codes not arriving or email hijacked, gather proof. Recent purchase ID, original account creation date, or screenshots. Then contact Roblox support and submit those details. They use that evidence to verify ownership and restore access.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.